This is a small sartorial step for me, but a huge sartorial step for humanity. Sénateur de lever la main et d'objecter, de mettre une objection pour qu'on puisse protéger l'appellation Gautier. Et je parle de ça parce que tutto fatto a mano, par exemple en Italie, tutto fatto a mano ne veut pas dire exactement la même chose que fait en France, c'est-à-dire imprécis. C'est-à-dire que tutto fatto a mano, parfois, il suffit juste de mettre un petit peu de couture ici et là. Et un petit peu.
We're very close to finishing.
He's so silly.
I do a cameo.
He's trying to get another shot.
It's time to go.
Hello and welcome to my one-man crew when two cameras are ellipse. This is a moon ellipse. The camera is in front of the other camera.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, Nikon, go on the left. Hello and welcome to this new series of episodes of our Sartorial talk show reserved for you, our patrons on our Patreon page. First of all, we would like once again to thank you very much for your support, which means a lot to us and would allow us to,
Yeah, but I'm going to put it somewhere else because it's probably going to go right here. Or if it's just a normal shirt collar, make sure it comes up under the lapel. Because if it doesn't, that's going to break the proportion. You're going to see a big gap from here to here, which is fine.
We're grabbing the microphone. A good bit.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
And making it hide.
I'm so sorry.
Well, that's okay.
Now, if you have a standard collar, just make sure that your lapel's coming over the standard collar.
Exactly.
And that's going to make a beautiful silhouette and proportion.
Yeah. That's one of the most misunderstood things.
I mean, you just handled the microphone the entire time. I don't know, you didn't do anything any different.
Again.
What is she doing?
I totally
Look.
forgot.
Pop, 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 pop.
Shoot!
So do it again, baby.
I was so stupid!
I think,
That was so
I'm
stupid.
of the
Okay,
opinion,
what
I
does it say
love
right?
visual illustration. I think you can just describe it without.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm so
Yeah,
sorry. Okay,
that's
Greg, I'm so sorry.
It's just
Okay,
gonna be hard
okay.
for him.
All right, let's go, let's go.
Okay. That's fine. I got it. Reset him, Kev, reset him. I'm sorry. The jogger messed it up.
That was good. I like that. It's going to be fun.
I saw you do that when you're practicing. You're going like this. Look, you're going like that.
I don't do
You're
this.
doing this like.
Okay. I agree. Okay. That's- Bye.